giving it to me. Hey friends, I have a box from Daily Harvest that I'm going to unbox. I ordered 9 things. I tried to find things that were a good price, a good item for the price. Most of the items that come from Daily Harvest are about the same price. I think it ranges from $5.99 to $8.99. So you can choose what size of box you get. I chose a 9-count box. If you use, they gave me a discount code. Hey, if you use the code LEAHK, you can get $25 off of your first box. So you can get a 9-count box for this one with all the things that I got would be just under $50. It's delivered to your doorstep. This one came from UPS. And yeah, I'm gonna leave the discount code down in my description box. And I'm really excited for these things. This isn't like a weight loss subscription or anything. It's just really good, nutritious food that's convenient. Some of these things looked really interesting to me. I wanted to try them. And there's also some ice cream in here that I'm really excited to try. It's non-dairy. I thought the non-dairy ice cream was a really good deal, especially because it's delivered. And I'll also link their website down below, so you can just go check out Daily Harvest. But I'm totally into the fruits, the veggies, all of the different ingredients that they use. A lot of their items, like the ice cream, is sweetened with maple syrup, and I love that too. So so let's just get right into the unboxing. I said let's get into it, honey, like a natural.
Yeah. Do you like how I stuffed the baby into it?
I know, that was really cute.
You gotta have the baby involved.
It's in this sealed, it looks like a sealed bag.
Show everyone, tip it up.
This is what we have on the inside. So I ordered a vanilla and salted swirled black sesame scoops. The scoops are the ice cream. I ordered some Chega and chocolate latte pods. I'm so excited about. And I also ordered cacao nibs and vanilla. They're like energy balls. And chocolate and ooey gooey midnight fudge scoops. And I ordered a cacao and avocado smoothie. I got 2 of those. And then I got acai and cherry smoothie. I ordered that one because that one looked best to Aaron. And then the random thing that I wanted to try was the beet and avocado poke bowl. This is the bowl. I think you just put it in a skillet or the microwave. And yeah, it's super cold. I can tell that it's frozen by holding it. Ugh, I'm so hungry right now too. So this is probably, this is the latte. So there's 3 pods in here. At least there should be 3 pods in here. And I can just pull them out, and you can make it iced, or you can warm it up with some milk. I use almond milk. Oh, and it has maple. I'm just so excited about all of this. It has maple, coconut, cacao, Chega, reishi, vanilla bean. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing all of those right, but really awesome ingredients. And you get 3 servings to make 3 different lattes with this one. So you can put it in here. Okay, thanks. This one is the cacao and avocado. On the website, this one said it tastes like a chocolate shake. And I ordered this one because it has the avocado in it, and it has a lot of really good amino acids and fats that I try to get into my body right now. I'm breastfeeding Hosanna, and I love the ingredients for this. Also really beneficial for the skin. So I was looking at all of the different ingredients, trying to figure out what would be good nutritionally for me and also taste good. Do you want to hold one of these? These are the nibs, or they're called bites, cacao nib and vanilla. This should have 7 little energy ball bites. You want to hold it? It's cold. Good job. Look at you standing. Here's another cacao and avocado smoothie.
favorite.
Oh, these are the scoops. This one is really heavy. This is the vegan ice cream. I'm not vegan, but I love all of the ingredients in this. It's sweetened with maple syrup. Did you know that?
No.
That's how it's sweetened, with maple syrup. This is the vanilla and salted swirl sesame. And then this is the other scoops. This one is called Ooey Gooey Midnight Fudge. This one has coconut, maple, cacao, avocado, pine pollen, and vanilla. And then we have two more. This is the cherry, blueberry, banana, raspberry, acai, and kale smoothie. This one looks good, doesn't it?
I like to call that Atki berry.
Yeah.
Atki.
We had to Google that one at first to figure out what it was called. Okay, this is the other latte that, the 3-pod latte that I got. This one is the chaga and chocolate. Also has maple in it, and vanilla bean, and reishi. All of these ingredients are so amazing. A lot of them, when I was trying to figure out what I wanted from the Daily Harvest website, I like Googled health benefits of reishi or chaga or whatever, just so I knew like how it would affect me and what the nutrition was in it and the benefits. But a lot of antioxidants in these things, and that's everything.
So did this come by the post office?
UPS.
UPS?
Yep.
Okay.
I actually filmed him when he was dropping it off.
Oh wow.
Yeah, because I was outside.
That's cool.
Scoops are really hard. Like, they're not squishy like a lot of the ice creams that you might even pull from your freezer. Like, if it's not cold enough, they're squishy. This is rock hard. But we gotta get these all in the freezer, and here they all are.
Pop into a blender, add 1 1/4 cups of your preferred milk, and blend until frothy. Pour over ice. Enjoy.
The first thing that we wanted to try was the latte pod. You get 3 latte pods per container, and we're gonna make it iced with almond milk. So we're gonna try this, and there should be 3 pods in here. And I guess you just keep it in the freezer and pull one out when you want to make a latte. So, oh yeah, there's 3 little pods in here. This is the first pod, and I think you just pop it out into the blender. I'm gonna use a NutriBullet with the almond milk and some ice. So I'm just gonna make an iced chaga and chocolate latte. And this one has maple, coconut, cacao, chaga, reishi, and vanilla bean.
They say you should run under hot water. So
Oh, okay, it says run hot water over sealed latte pod for 10 seconds. Out.
If it doesn't pop out, you can soak it in our hot water, honey.
It's popping out.
Okay.
That's
Cool.
pretty easy. Here's the latte pod, and I'm gonna pour about 1.25 cups of almond milk in it.
What do you think, honey?
I think I'm gonna have a pretty good afternoon after this. Next thing that I'm gonna try is the cacao nib and vanilla bites. These have chickpea in them. They're supposed to have some protein. Hi. Hello. And they have coconut, cacao, pumpkin, maca. Oh wow, they look like cookie dough.
Ooh.
That's a pretty fun treat.
It tastes like
I know what it is.
what?
Pumpkin puree.
That's what it is.
I couldn't figure it out.
Because it's like, there's something in this.
Really like them, but if you're expecting like something super sweet,
Yeah, it's not.
it's not super sweet. At first I thought the bites weren't as sweet as I initially wanted them to be, but after eating them, I felt like the nourishment, and I felt like they tasted really good, and I felt like the nourishment was was really good after having just one of the bites. So at first, when I was expecting like a chunk of cookie dough, I probably would have rated it about 6 out of 10. Then after eating 1 or 2 of them, I would give it an 8 out of 10. Try the one and only Harvest Bowl, or more of like a food item, a savory item. I'm gonna make this. You can do it cold, you can eat it cold if you just pop it in the fridge. You can microwave it, you can make it on the stove. This is the beet and avocado poke bowl. Wanna see? This is what it looks like, frozen. The finished product all warmed up. Here's what's in the bowl. It's already pre-salted and pre-seasoned, so I wouldn't add anything to it. The beet avocado poke bowl would have been better with a pita bread. I think if you put it like in a pita, it would have been a lot better. That's how I would eat it if I were to eat it again. Going forward, I think the better deal for the Daily Harvest order would probably be the smoothies, the scoops, the bites. The bites are just such a good treat because I feel like they're really nutritious. Let's try the ooey gooey midnight fudge. Scoops say to take the container out of the freezer 10 minutes before you're about to eat it. I didn't do that. I just scooped right into it, and I think it would have been probably a little bit of an easier scoop, but it was so good. I think the chocolate would be, it tasted like really good chocolate ice cream. The sesame one had a really unique flavor to it. It was my husband's favorite. I also thought it was really good too, and I ate it with a banana, and I think you could make a really good sundae out of it. I was looking at the Daily Harvest Instagram page, and they said to make a really good sundae, take the scoops, put it with a banana, and then you can even melt one of the chaga and chocolate latte pods, melt it and pour it over. And I'm just so sad that I already have eaten all of the chaga and chocolate pods. A cherry acai smoothie was good. It tasted with water. That was kind of like the baseline. We wanted to try it with water to see how it tasted. I think though it tastes a lot better with almond milk. Wow, the cherries look really good in there. And milk I used was sweetened, so that added a little bit of sweetness to the smoothie, which is also why we liked it a little bit more.
Two things. One, it tastes better if I taste it in a cup rather than cardboard.
Yeah.
That's probably why they say a straw. And I think it'd be better if I used almond milk.
I got a berry. Try a little. You wanna try it? What do you think? Thank you guys for watching this unboxing, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye, friends.